To make kombucha, you will need black tea, a tea bag, this one is reusable, white sugar, a Scoby, and some starter tea. Bring 3 litres of filtered water to a boil. Add 1 cup of sugar. Stir to dissolve. Add 2 tablespoons of loose tea to your tea bag. Steep the tea for about 5 minutes and remove. Add your 2 cups of starter tea from your previous batch or from a friend. Stir to combine. Pour your tea mix into a glass dispenser. Add your Scoby, also from your previous batch or a friend. Cover with a paper towel and a rubber band. Bottle 2 cups of the plain kombucha for your starter tea for the next batch. Bottle the rest to drink. You should have enough for 2 bottles and your starter tea. For the raspberry lemonade flavour, puree 1/4 cup of raspberries and add to the kombucha. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Gently shake to combine. Place in the fridge for 2 days to carbonate. For the feijoa flavour, remove the pulp from 3 feijoas. Puree. Add the pulp to your kombucha. Invert to combine. Using a sieve, strain the kombucha to remove the seeds and pour back into the bottle. Ready to drink, doing the same with the feijoa flavour. And there you have it, 2 fruity flavours of kombucha, sweet and ready to drink.